Hello, good afternoon. Let's continue our discussion of communication. So this time we're gonna angle into how information technology is effectively used to communicate in different business situations. So here, how is it? Number one is finding information. How effective uh, use information technology effectively used to communicate in different business situations. Finding information. How is it? So IT allows businesses to quickly and effectively locate relevant data for decision making, research, and analysis. Yeah, because whenever we need information, we go to the online and then or AI, then they're going to give information that guides us, no? But not actually as what we need. So we still have to make decision. Computer only provide information, but we are the one responsible to make a decision. Examples and applications: search engine, Google or Bing, for market research or competitive analysis. So we know these engines are indexed with billion databases or websites. Another is online databases. So JS Store and example is Statista for academic or statistical data. Another is internet portals for internal policies or project documents. So business example, marketing team uses Google Trends to identify popular keywords for a new product campaign. Another thing is collating information. So IT tools help gather. Why IT? Because it can tap with billions of databases. Gather, organize, and store data from multiple sources into a coherent and usable format. For example, report. Example and application spreadsheets, Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets to collect sales data from regional sources. Database management system. Example, Microsoft Access, MySQL, or another system, IBM. To store and sort customer or product data, and from there, we'll find a pattern, and then they will uh, they will find what really customer wanted, and then they design a product around it. Another thing, surveys and forms. Google Forms survey monkey, for example, no? To collect feedback or employee. This is very important because we are the user actually communicating with the with the customer itself. No? Business example, HR department uses Google Forms to collect feedback from employees and collates the responses in Google Sheets for review. No? So this is HR department. So using IT to produce share information. So IT enables yeah, because in website that can be easily be done, no? Share information. So or there are websites that automatically send a information to the to those that are subscribed, no? So IT enables the creation of documents, reports, designs. Yeah, because for example, Google Sheet, no? Sorry, Microsoft Sheet, no? You just run the macro, it will create the report out of those information, data, reports, designs, and multimedia content, which can be distributed instantly across teams or stakeholders. No? It will be auto sign. No? So we have an example of application. We have microprocessor, word processor, cloud platform, collaborative tools. No? Business example, sales team prepares a product catalog using Microsoft Publisher and shares it with client via OneDrive. Another thing, presenting information in different formats. So IT provides versatile tools for presenting data visually. So people can find it, no? Graphical charts, no? Or pie charts, and verbally to suit different audiences, because people can imagine only figures, not numbers. So making communication more effective. Examples of application web presentation software, PowerPoint, Prezi, infographic tools, Canva, Pictochart, to visualize statistic and data. Dashboard, Power BI, Tableau, present real-time data for decision making. So, for example, in the production. Example, operation manager use Power BI to create a dashboard that visually presents weekly production efficiently to stakeholders. Because, investors always asking, how's it going on? So, showing data would convince them that operation is running right now, and then their money is uh, on a good hand. And let's talk about important reason why IT communications is important or vital in businesses. So these are reasons. So essential business tools, no? So IT communication tools such as email, messaging, apps, and collaborative platforms are vital for daily business operation. For example, report update. They enable real-time communication, decision-making, and task coordination. Example, email, instant messaging, like that. Video conferencing, or video can be sent via YouTube, not like what we're doing now. So, access to vast amount of information. No? Example, IT system enable business to gather, store, and analyze large amount of data. This improve decision making, customer insight, and market analysis. Example, business intelligence, Tableau, Power BI, help analyzing customer behavior and sales trends. CRM system, Salesforce, store and manage customer data. Search engine, okay? Another, share information with global audience. Explanation. IT communication enables business to reach and interact with customers, partners, and stakeholders globally via internet, websites, and social media. Examples, websites, blogs, social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, cloud-based file sharing. So cloud is the file server. Makes business administration effective and efficient. Number one. No? So IT communication streamlines admin processes like scheduling, reporting, payroll, and document management, improving productivity and reducing human error. Example, ERP, SAP, Oracle. Now these are system programs that integrate all the business partners from vendor, supplier, government, and the rest of the stakeholders. No? Project management, Trello, Asana, no? Enhanced task tracking and team coordination. Document management system, SharePoint, another website, no? Support version, control and secure share. So those are the uh, important reason why IT communication is vital in business. So no company today cannot run without the IT. So we also discuss about how IT is effectively used in communication. So long, we will continue on the next segment. Bye for now. Thank you for having me.